Hey, what's up everybody? I was over here the other night, ran into a bad high pressure switch, a plugged up condenser. So today I'm returning to this unit just to fix it real fast. I'm going to add an external pressure switch, high pressure switch. First, let me take that off. Today's going to be a hot one. Let's turn the pressure off. Before I wrench that, let's get everything ready. So this way, because this is under pressure. We don't want to lose too much. Same with this. And I'm not going to stick this out here so that it's not sticking out. This will go straight up and in. Let me separate that. I don't know if it was because I was wet or not, but 24 volts on this system was giving me a little bit of a tingle, so could be the Wi-Fi stack, could be anything, causing a little bit of an amperage. Could have been that I was soaking wet. But anyway, I don't want to find out. So all I know is I got a tingle, so I protect myself. Get a blue wire, that should be fine on here. I only have the orange, so whatever. Now we're back on. I see the insulation breaking a little. Let me get a little tape on that. Or I can cut the wire back a little bit, give it a fresh end. go. Contactor clicks. All right. Oh, there we go. And we're going to be going back on. I just got to get a cap on that. Up and running. Fan kicked on. Well, thank you for joining me on this short, quick little adventure of installing a new high pressure safety on this AC system. Till next time, I'm out.